Good afternoon, friends. I'm Dr. Ajay Shah, and I'm bringing you this another mini afternoon live. I do this afternoon live pretty much 3, 4 times a week, and I bring some short topics. Uh, Today, we are talking about sleep, how important sleep is. As American and even as people in the world, we are not getting enough sleep. The recommended hours of sleep is 7 to 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours. Many Americans get actually less than 5 hours. So let's talk about sleep. So again, 30% of Americans don't get the 7 hours of sleep at night. 4% Americans are actually on sleep medication. And we know the sleep medication actually has shown to increase the overall death rate. People who take sleep medicine live less. So that's very concerning. So we should avoid sleeping medicine as much as possible. We also know that you cannot overcome sleep debt by sleeping more on the weekends. You have to have a consistent sleeping hours. So what are some of the side effects of inadequate sleep? Inadequate sleep actually makes you have poor learning, poor attention span, more accidents, diabetes and pre-diabetes, high death rate, Alzheimer's disease, high chance of heart attack and high blood pressure, and even also some of the cancers. Matter of fact, people who work the night shift have a higher incidence of certain type of cancer. So again, sleep is definitely something required for health. There are a lot of books written on the sleep. This is a very brief, short video. I will be making a 1 hour long sleep seminar soon, but this is just to get you going on how to get a good sleep. So again, we all know sleep is important. I actually take sleep as important as exercise and healthy eating. So how can we improve our sleep? So these are some of the tricks to improve sleep. If you follow most of these tricks, I can assure you, I can guarantee you that your sleep will improve. So number one is maintain fixed sleep hours. So go to sleep same time in the evening and wake up at the same time in the morning. Um, Try to go to sleep around 10 o'clock and wake up at 6 o'clock. Um, it's been proven that people who sleep more hours before midnight, their quality of sleep is actually better than more hours after midnight. It's almost actually said that 1 hour of sleep before midnight is equivalent to 2 hours of sleep after midnight. So try to go to bed before 10 o'clock if you can. Definitely exposing yourself to 30 minutes of sunlight, preferably in the morning, gives you a better sleep. And if you don't have enough sun because you live in a cold area, then try to buy 10,000 lux light and expose yourself for 15 to 30 minutes to this 10,000 lux light. Sunlight is obviously the best. Definitely exercising 30 minutes every day improves your sleep, but try to finish your exercise by 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. And if you are very sensitive, then no caffeine completely. Also, no heavy meal after 7 p.m., no alcohol after 7 p.m. People who drink alcohol in the evening, they may fall asleep, but the quality of sleep is very poor. Try to take a hot shower before sleep that lowers your core body temperature and may give you a better sleep. Definitely minimum clothing at night, which also lowers your core body temperature. Keep your bedroom temperature 66 degree, and that also helps you to go to sleep. Definitely avoid any kind of blue light after 6 p.m., typically from cell phones, computers, TV, iPads. And if you have to use those devices, buy $10, $15 orange shade glasses, and that will block most of the blue light. So again, try to avoid blue light in the evening as much as possible. Start dimming the lights in your house after 7 p.m. and try to create an atmosphere just like 200, 300 years ago when sun was going down and lights were dim in the evening. If you go to bed and if you cannot sleep after half an hour, get up and read or do some meditation. Definitely no TV in the bedroom and no watching TV after definitely 8 or 9 p.m. Not those Netflix binge until 2 o'clock in the morning. Keep your bedroom dark and noise free to get a better sleep. If you cannot avoid the noise, why betting? Consider buying earplugs to keep the noise out of your out of your ears. Definitely meditate 15 to 30 minutes before sleep. That will definitely help you to fall asleep quickly and maintain a better sleep. A comfortable mattress and pillow is very important for sleep. Invest into a good mattress if you want to have a good sleep. Definitely decrease the water intake before sleep, so you don't have to urinate before, you don't have to go to bathroom at night, and definitely urinate before going to the bed. All these tricks definitely will help you to improve your sleep. Try it tonight. Do as many tricks as you can, and I can assure you, I can guarantee you, your sleep will improve. Definitely avoid the sleeping medication as much as possible. I will be giving a 1 hour full sleep seminar soon, so please stay tuned. Definitely, if you have other conditions like sleep apnea, because of obesity or because of many other conditions, then we will be talking about sleep apnea also. I also highly recommend to track your sleep with a device like Fitbit. I track my sleep every night. Uh, and Fitbit is very cost effective, only $69. It can measure your steps, it can measure your activity, it can measure your sleep. And by tracking by Fitbit, you can actually know how much deep sleep you got, how much REM sleep you got, how much light sleep you got. This is my sleep analysis on the Fitbit. This is until May actually. So I was sleeping 6 hours 40 minutes in 2018. I upped it to 7 hours 2 minutes 2019. Now I'm sleeping about 7 hours 5 minutes this year. This is true sleep. My time in bed is about 8 hours. So I take sleep very seriously. I commute 2 hours, I work full time, I exercise 2 hours, I do a lot of Facebook projects, but I still get 7 to 8 hours sleep. I spend about 8 hours in bed and 7 hours 5 minutes of sleep. I want to increase my sleep to a 7 hour 30 minutes. That's my goal. And I sincerely ask all of you, request all of you to have minimum 7 hours of sleep and 8 hours in bed, and track your sleep with a Fitbit type device. So again, this was a brief fly on sleep. If you are having difficulty falling asleep or maintaining the sleep, try some of the techniques and tricks I showed you, and see how your response is. Please share this post, please comment, please ask questions. This video will be on YouTube soon, so please share with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To give you update on our page, we have now about 55,000 followers. We are growing very rapidly. Thanks to all of you, thanks to my family. I also request you, sincerely request you to invite 25 friends as often as you can from your phone or from your computer to join our page. It's very easy to do. Just go to your like pages, and then there's a button called invite. There might be 3 stars on your phone, 3 dots on your phone. If you're on a computer, it's easy to invite. And select 25 people and invite to our page. Once again, thank you, and we'll have another live tonight. Thank you.